And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 217. Let me show you how we can recreate a simple glass effect. We'll go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Under the Distort folder right here, you will find the second option, which is called Glass. Distortion and smoothness are basically the opposites of one another, you could say. So you reduce the effect if you go down with the distortion and up with the smoothness, and you intensify it in the other direction. So you go up with distortion and down with smoothness. And the smoothness, in simple terms, just determines how sharp the texture is going to be, and the texture can be adjusted with the drop down below. You have the frosted option, which is active by default. There are also other options. For example, a fabric-like ripple effect with canvas, a tiled blocky effect using blocks, and then a tiny lens, which is more like a bubble pattern. And then the scaling, it affects how big or small this texture is going to be. In our case, let me stick to frosted, but I don't go too high with the scaling, and I keep distortion and smoothness to 11, and this gives us a typical glass effect in Photoshop. You can also invert it, which simply inverts the light and dark areas of the texture. Don't forget to confirm via OK, and you've got your glass effect. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.